Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove UEFI NTFS partition from USB drive in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, a best match would appear, which is the command prompt system, where here you need to go with run as administrator. You will receive a notification of user account control asking you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. Where here you need to type a list of command text, which is the very first is diskpart. Again, type for diskpart. Click on enter. And the moment you have the click on it, proceed on typing for the second, which is list space disk. Click on enter and it will show you the available or the list disk present in your Windows or computer. Now you need to select your USB drive depending on the size of that. Okay, so navigate to your file explorer, open that. Once you have opened it, there you would be able to see your USB drive. So in my case, I have the 14 gigabyte. Okay, so I'm gonna choose disk 1. Okay, so close this window and proceed by selecting your disk number. So type for select disk 1. Now here's the catch. Mostly your local disk or C drive is in disk 0 number, which is the first one, which is 58 gigabyte in my case. And next to that disk 1 is your USB drive. Okay. So you would be able to select such. It might be in disk 1, but if you have another present USB, there might be another list here. But mostly your UC drive is in disk 0. Okay. So it is given that you need to select with disk 1, disk 2, disk 3, and more. Okay, so go with select disk 1. If your disk number is number 1, type 1, click on enter. And the moment you have click on it, proceed by typing clean. Again, proceed by typing clean. Again, type for clean. And the moment you have typed it, proceed by typing create partition primary. Okay, let me just type it again. 1, click on enter and wait until it was being selected and proceed by typing the next command text, which is clean. Click enter and once this part succeeded the cleaning of disk, proceed by typing create partition primary. Click on enter. And once it is succeeded in creating the specified partition, proceed by typing format space fs equals NTFS space quick. Okay. Click on enter. And once it is being done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate here at the File Explorer again and check if the UEFI is still occurring or appearing here. I'm sure it will not, okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.